Hey guys, welcome back. I have another unboxing here because if you can't tell by some of the background ambient noise, it's a very blah day out. Depending on when this goes out, because I don't know what's in here. She really wants to know, but I've got a lot of rain going on outside from the remnants of Hurricane Laura. And this is a perfect kind of day for some arts and crafts. So let's open up what's in this box. It is still taped. I have not opened it. I have not seen anything in here. We're gonna get her out because again, I don't know what's in there and what may happen with her. I got some scissors. Let's open this box and see what kind of adults and crafts we're gonna be doing. So we have a marbling clay kit, and this is a kit to make some little looks like bowls or something like that. In here we have this little silicone mat, and it has some round diameters, which kind of looks like it's for a kid's play because it has things listed for a pizza, torte. It's in another language. In centimeters, so I don't know, but I'm guessing that these circles here, I'm going to show you. I'm guessing those circles are to help make the size of some sort of marbled bowl. We have, wow, okay, in here we have a little plastic knife thingy. We have a hollow plastic rolling pin, sponge, and a gold metallic Sharpie. So we have, so you can see gold Sharpie, little sponge. This is probably like 20 cents, cheap rolling plastic, and then a little knife thing. You really want to know what's in here, don't you? You really do. You're fine. Okay, so we have, this is Sculpty brand of polymer clay. We have black, so we have black, silver, teal pearl, ballerina, more silver, more black. We have white, fuchsia. I'm literally ignoring her, but I'm sure you're like, kitty. We have spring lilac, more fuchsia, ballerina, teal pearl, spring lilac, and then it looks like two more white. So we have, you're in the way. No, you're not jumping over there. Down. We have 5, 10, 15 things of clay that you can see here. And I gotta be honest, these are my colors. The aqua, the purple, the pink, love that. We have, and the brand is Sculpey, gloss glaze paper. And then, are these like molds or something like that? Let's see, let's open these up. Come on. The packaging is pretty good. And this did have a Fragile sticker on it when it was delivered. Okay. And this is really packaged good here. So I'm looking at the instructions while I'm trying to open this up because, man, hello. And it says that these are not for food or eating. Okay, we have a little glass bowl here. I'm guessing these are kind of molds. Another one. And we have a little plate. These are just cheap little plain white ones, which is fine. I don't want expensive ones for something like this. It says what I may need optionally is sandpaper and cracked pepper. That's interesting. Okay, so I also need an oven and a baking sheet. And these are not for food or eating. It gives me instructions on how to do some marbling here. Roll things out, trace around, and it looks like you actually just place things on bowls to then use as molds. You can use some cracked pepper to kind of add a little look to it. I'm looking to see if there's a video with this one. Seriously, you just want to be part of this, don't you? I don't see a video for this one, but that's okay. I'll check their YouTube channel anyway. I have done some polymer clay work. I really like that they have so many colors here. This is a lot. I'll have to do some calculation on how much value this is, but overall not bad. So stick around and see what I make with this. I got to go for a run first, hence the workout outfit. I was hoping this rain would let up a little bit, but we've had some lightning and all that, so I might have to go hit the treadmill. But until then, yeah, we'll see what this looks like, so stick around. All right, I'm back, and I've had a chance to make a few items using the Adults in Crafts kit for the month of September, I think. We're still in that. I don't know what day, month, year it is anymore. The first one I made was this small bowl here. I'm gonna bring this in to show you. Here's the outside, and here's the inside. And you can see, use a gold that gold marker I showed you to do the top. And I did glaze it with 2 coats. So not bad. I think the outside looks a little bit better than the inside. As you can see, it fits. It's itty bitty, fits in the palm of my hand. This used 4 different colors and 1 block of each to do. I then took 2 blocks from 4 colors and I made this bowl here. You can see the outside, and I did color it the gold on the outside. I filed it down. And then the last one is I took the leftovers that I had from those and I made this little plate here. And you can see the underneath, but that's going to be down on the ground anyway. What I'm thinking about doing for this one is gluing a strong magnet to the back and making this a like pin tray so I can put pins on and magnetize it in my sewing room. I thought that might be a good little thing. That's kind of what I wish they did with this, was they took this one step further, because this felt a little bit like a kid's craft, like a 10-year-old could do this in a way. What I liked is they had some really nice modern colors. You can see the colors here. You know, they're nice, they're modern, they're different. They're definitely a little feminine. I wish they included more white, because I kind of use a combination to do even. And I think if I had done a little more white in here, it would have had more of a marble look, but they kind of gave an equal amount of a bunch. I used the 3 containers that they provided, and I got these to it. Not bad. They're very light. So, you know, they offered a good variety there, and they said you can use whatever you have. So overall, I think it was good. The value was there for the amount of clay you got, for the amount of materials they sent. This is one of those crafts that I'm probably not going to do a ton of. Others may love it. I know my friend Valerie loves working with the polymer clay and enjoys that quite a bit, and that's her thing. And that's what I love about these kinds of boxes, is it allows you to play with a few things to see what you like. And that's why I'm going to continue to do them every now and then, just to see and do something different. It's nice to mix it up. So I want to know, what do you guys think about my creations? Do you like them? And do you like this kind of a subscription box? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever done polymer clay crafts and marbling here. But until next time, I hope you guys get out there and create something beautiful. Have a fantastic day.